Today, we will discuss about the best top 3 fruits that can really help out those dealing with diabetes. Did you know that? Fruits are packed with essential nutrients that can. Certain fruits really make a difference. Fiber is key here as it helps with digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable. These fruits are also low on the glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a sudden spike in blood sugar. They're like a natural multivitamin in a tasty package. And let's not forget about how they can regulate blood sugar levels, keeping everything in check. Now, let's move on to another amazing fruit that's a powerhouse of goodness. It's full of antioxidants, fiber, and special compounds that are great for your digestion, heart, and overall well-being. Just one serving can bring a whole bunch of benefits to your daily diet. It's a refreshing and delightful treat that packs a punch. But not least, let's talk about this unique fruit that stands out from the rest. It's not only packed with nutrients but also offers surprising benefits that go above and beyond, from boosting brain function to giving you a natural energy kick. This little gem is sure to leave you feeling rejuvenated. And hey, it tastes pretty darn good too. Let's get started about the best top 3 fruits that have the ability to help diabetes. These fruits are plums, kiwis, and peaches, and they can really make a difference in your life. If you're a diabetic, kiwi, what it has fiber, supports digestion, and slows sugar absorption. Vitamin C boosts immune health. Potassium maintains heart health and blood pressure. Antioxidants protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. Low glycemic index, GI, gradually raises blood sugar levels and it helps regulates blood sugar. The fiber content prevents sharp spikes in glucose, improves insulin sensitivity. Antioxidants combat inflammation and protect pancreatic beta cells. Promotes heart health, potassium, and cardiovascular wellness. Antioxidants support. Recipe: salad. Combine with fresh spinach, kiwi slices, and walnuts and drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Sprinkle with salt and pepper for a refreshing diabetes-friendly meal. Peaches, it has fiber, supports healthy digestion and blood sugar regulation. It has plenty of vitamin C for boosts immunity system. More than oranges and good for skin health. Also vitamin A for eye health and repair. Antioxidants combat inflammation and promote metabolic health. Low glycemic index, GI, leads to steady blood sugar levels. It helps to regulates blood sugar. Fiber slows glucose absorption, improves insulin sensitivity. Antioxidants protect cells and enhance insulin action, and supports overall health. Vitamins and nutrients promote well-being. Here's some recipe: peach mint infusion. Blend fresh peach slices with a few mint leaves. Add to chilled water for a refreshing diabetes-friendly drink. What about plums can help? It has a lot of fiber, aids digestion and moderates sugar absorption. Antioxidants protect against cell damage and inflammation. Vitamin C supports immunity. Potassium promotes heart health. Low glycemic index, GI, helps stabilize blood sugar levels, regulates blood sugar. Fiber prevents rapid spikes in glucose, supports insulin sensitivity. Antioxidants enhance insulin functionality, boosts heart health. Potassium and nutrients work together for cardiovascular well-being. Recipe: plum chia blend. Chopped plums with unsweetened almond milk. Stir in chia seeds, honey, optional, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy as a diabetes-friendly treat. These 3 best top amazing fruits are deliciously healthy choices for managing diabetes and overall wellness. Have to eat daily, so make sure to add these 3 fruits to your daily routine, and you'll be on your way and see amazing results for a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy, everyone.